Right. Who is Mark Satya?
Who is Mark Satya?
Person with a name Mark Satya reached out to me.
I'm connected to him, and I bless the name of God for that very day we met. He has been tutoring me on how to get things done well in a proper way in affiliate marketing. He's been directing my step.
Appreciate Mark for helping me out with all this. I've got a little bit further around than I have been.
Spirit of God that led me to this awesome person, Mr. Mark Satya, who persistently and patiently guide me step by step in details through my struggling. If I had any question, I could send a message to him at any time, and he's always there to reply to me instantly.
I've known Mark since day one. I started my online business last year. And ever since I get to know Mark, I've been blown away by his dedication and passion with helping others to succeed online.
So, used to be my better students. Mark went from a place of not knowing what to do to knowing what to do. He went from a place of confusion to knowing how to generate sales. I mean, I remember his very first sale, and you're like, hey, I've gotten my first sale. And then he moved on to having back-to-back sales in a week. He had like 5 sales in a week, and Mark has really grown. And not just for himself, I've also seen that he has grown into helping other people,
We decided that we needed to come up with some individualized training. So we sought out a mentor that who by the name of Mark Satya. And I think it was one of the best decisions we made. So
basically, Mark is such a cool guy that he will bring value to others in every way he can. So if you are looking for someone to connect with and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, Mark is your guy. Alright? Basically, Mark is your go-to guy.
Changed my life because ever since he started showing me what to do, and he gave me training on how the systems work, and a whole new world opened up for me. Now I'm very confident, and I can walk this road with him, and I am so excited. I can't wait to see what the future holds for me with affiliate marketing.
I want to enjoin every one of you that you are seeing me now to get connected to him. But it's good to work with him. He's going to tutor you in the right way and get you doing the right thing in affiliate marketing. Please.
Thanks to Mr. Satya, I can safely say today that I'm able to do so. Mr. Mark has cleared my many doubts, changed my thinking pattern, inspired, motivate, and encouraged me tremendously. And I'm encouraging anyone who is a complete newbie or a complete struggling with affiliate marketing and is in desperate need for help and guidance. You can message Mr. Mark Satya with ease. I assure you that you would not regret working with Mr. Mark, because he is always there to help you, and he ensures that his students get results from their work.
So if you are thinking about to use the power of internet to create more impact, influence, and income, Mark is the one you need to talk to. God bless, and see you at the top.
If you are a new affiliate, you're struggling, you don't know what to do, I really do recommend Mark.
Who is Mark Satya? Well, you have to understand, it's really hard to find really honest, lawyer, and really people, the coaches who has really good foundation of what marketing is out there. It's really hard to find these days. Mark Satya is the one I really recommend. He's the man if you're looking for any assistance or any help or any advice regarding to high-ticket marketing. Mark Satya is the guy you have to look for, guys. Okay, I highly recommend Mark Satya. So that being said, I really want to shout out to Mark Satya, and he also supported me on my journey. And then I love this guy. So look for the Mark Satya, and then Let's do this, guys. All right.
That is me. You can call me Mark. Okay, I'm a pastor in a local church here in South Africa. As you can see, that's my youth on the left. That's my wife. That's my church. I'm a family man. I'm a revivalist. I go from place to place and preach the word of God, pray for people. I'm a full-time minister. Right. And I'm also an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, as you can say as well. For 16 years, I've worked in the casino. This is one of the largest casino here in Durban, in South Africa. And in the capacity of a surveillance operator and gaming officer. Right. Now, the problem was in 2021, you all know that COVID hit the world. And South Africa was also affected. Okay, the company that I worked for, they downsized the hours. So we worked shorter hours. And eventually we got retrenched because they had a redundancy of positions. So I lost my job and I was at home. And that's how I turned to affiliate marketing. All right. But there's some history about me as well. For 16 years, as I said, I've been in this company. In 2008, I was in the USA. All right. I was at New Jersey. I was at New York City. I was at Miami. I worked on the cruise line there, the Norwegian cruise line. I'm not sure how many of you have been on the cruise line there, Norwegian cruise line. So I worked on the vessel there in the capacity of a surveillance operator. In March 2021, I was retrenched after 16 years of service. I even lost my elder sister to COVID, started an online marketing business, watching YouTube videos, learning whatever the gurus or whoever taught there, bought courses, learned about affiliate marketing. And I even joined a legendary marketer. I'm not sure how many of you started affiliate marketing with legendary marketer, right? In fact, I also did that, and this was the first commission that I earned of 35 cents. Right. From there, nothing worked out because, as I said, I listened to videos on YouTube channel. I was just all over the place. Eventually, there came a time where I spent most of the money that I collected from the company after leaving, and I wanted to throw in the towel. Then thank God for me that I've met or came across a mentor, a coach who taught me some other stuff. And that really put me 360 degrees turn, you know. And this is when I started making my first sales. You see, as you can see, this is my mentor. Congratulations, Mark, on cranking out your first sale. This was on the 12th of January, 2022. This was my first commission that I made. And then after that, I started making like 4 back-to-back sales in a week, you see. Okay, these are high-ticket sales that I started making, 3 high-ticket sales. And I started making a lot of sales, you know. This is how my journey changed. Right, because what I believe is in affiliate marketing or online marketing or even the digital space, what is important is to have skills, you know. When you have the right skills, you can implement the skills to make your business progress. Because the thing is, without skills, you know, you get the done for you campaigns and stuff like that. Once the done for you campaigns are finished, or once the company closes, what are you going to do? You're going to sit without anything else. All right. So it is important to know that to know the basic skills that you need to have. You need to know how to converse with people on Messenger. You need to know how to attract customers, your friends into leads, and then into customers, you know. And this is where I started off. I started off as a rookie to a rock star. Okay, that's why the name of the group that you belong to, it's called From Rookie to Rockstar. I then went on to train and to coach people on one-on-one. Those guys, they made the first iTicket sale. As you can see, then they made the second sale. This is another student that says, guess what? I just got an email that I received a sale. I'm so happy. And as you can see the comments. And there's another student as well. After the first coaching session, she made sale, you know.
My name is Gail, and I had a session with Mark, and he was very, very informative with Facebook pages, and I greatly appreciate what he's done for me. I've learned so much. I don't know if I can even name them all, but basically the profile is very, very important. That I did learn about, and there's so many things about communicating with people, and it's just so many tiny things that I need to work on, but that's okay. I'm going to work on that, and I greatly appreciate his help.
Hey there, it's Jacqueline here. Just a quick thank you to Mark for the email marketing session. There's so much that I've learned, especially about the email marketing. I didn't know that there was that much involved. It's definitely going to help me in my business and anybody else's business. Mark was patient and kind and very informative, and he went step by step. I'm a visual learner, so it definitely helped me in my in what I need to do. And I recommend anytime, if anybody has anything to want to learn more about email marketing, Mark is the guy. Anyways, thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Irene. Just wanted to drop by a quick video and a quick shout out to my mentor, Mark Satya. I've been going through the email marketing class with him for the last 2 days, and with those 2 days that I've spent time with him and 3 other people, I have learned so much about email marketing and about the process of how to build a funnel, use ChatGPT to make writing an email easy, the correspondence that we have to do. It's a very, very good class that I've spent with Mark and the 3 other people that we were working with. Big thanks to him. He was very patient, and he was very understanding, because most of us were having struggles, because this is all new to us, especially me. I've now gained more clarity on what is email marketing. Again, Mark, thank you so much. I hope to learn more from you, and I hope to see you again in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Jeff here. I just want to give a quick shout out to Mark Satya. Not only he gave us all 1 bonus day, but for my takeaway for his email marketing masterclass, he taught us how to write a nurturing email, which I had kind of had trouble with coming up with a nurturing email. He showed us an easy way of how to write an email, how you can create a lead magnet for anyone who's new into affiliate marketing or trying to get into affiliate marketing. So this masterclass was really, really helpful to me to learn and grasp more details about email marketing, and also learning how to create lead magnet, and also how to find a product in the ClickBanks, which can help me to promote some low ticket offer and make some additional income. So I thank you, Mark Satya, for this awesome masterclass, and have a wonderful day, guys. Take care.